Hello, hello everyone. I hope we are doing good. How is it going today? Welcome to another Launchpad. Yes, if you can hear us, can you give us a thumbs up on the chat? We are on, we are live again today. How has the week been? How are you doing? I hope you are crushing it. Hope you are getting those clients. I hope the business is moving forward. How is it going? Yeah, let's promise. How are you doing? How is it going?
I'm good. Always super chat to help every African SME to scale and make more sales. So that's why we are here today.
Awesome. Awesome. Cool, cool. So we're gonna jump into right now, quick one. What I will be talking about today?
Um, we're gonna be at least focusing on the e-commerce, right? Building online stores for customers. Very, very important. We're also gonna be able to teach them how to automate, you know, their workflows, being able to know how to take different types of payments and also be able to be visible in terms of how they want to sell specific products. So we're going to dive into a lot of things today, and I think we should actually start immediately and see what we can do for them.
All right, awesome stuff. Cool. Let's dive into it. Uh, so today we'll be talking about we'll be focusing on the e-commerce, how to build and scale uh your business basically. So for whether you're selling physical store, you have a physical store, you're selling digital products. So diving into it, how easily it is for you to set up your e-commerce store on Trimangle as quick as possible. Automate your processes, delivery, um, reminders, SMS, email, payment, and even abandon checkout. We're going to show you how we can do those things easily with Trimangle. So let's jump into it quickly. Let's jump into it. So when you land, we're going to divide this session into different aspects. So we'll be creating collections, we'll be putting up our payment method, we'll be doing building up our store. I'll be looking at orders, how to fulfill orders if you're dealing with physical products. And for digital products, we're gonna see how you can, you know, get your digital product immediately up. When someone buys your digital product, it automatically be delivered to them, so you don't need to worry about delivery and all those stuff, right? So let's dive into it quickly. Let's dive
And
in.
also as a business owner, African SME, with whichever level you are in your business, all those things that are very much repetitive, all those manual driven tasks that you normally do, all those multiple things you do in one place, we're going to also show you how to be able to, let you know how to build a system that works for you while you focus on how to scale up and strategize in your business. Also, people who have multiple stores in different places, we're going to also show them how to create like an online store that can interconnect those different, physical stores and now have a digital presence whereby they can have more potential global customers that can pay and buy things from different places instead of people who they've known over the years, and now be able to have a database that can also resell to those guys and convert them again so that they become repeated customers. So automation of inventory, which is very important. Looking at most small business owners, they struggle with trying to organize the inventory. We're going to be able to organize those things for you as a business owner. Making your business professional, also very visible, and able to turn all those customers to communities who are going to be able to be repeating buys. So this is what we're going to be doing for you know business owners today and e-commerce vendors.
All right, cool. So let's dive into it quickly. So when you land on your Triangle account, you head over to sites. We'll get over to site. We go to see the stores here. We go to store. So, like I said, we're going to divide into. We're not going to go dive into picking our store immediately. For let's first of all, let's go. Um, believe before you set up your payment method. So we have different payment method. We have both Stripe, we have Paystack for local transactions. Also, we already we get some of our we have some documentation on all those things, how you can set up all those things. Basically, we're not going to dive into that because of time. But what I want us to do quickly is to when you go to payments, we want us to set up our manual payments. We go to integrations. Like I have Triangle Payment, which is I already set that up, which is we are in partnership with Flutterwave to bring out, give you every type of payment you're looking for. So we have Stripe, we have PayPal, and all those stuff basically. So, but what I want to do is quickly, I want to go here to add up manual payments. So because I know some e-commerce store, right? You have people want to deliver, you have physical product and you want to sell them. You want people to pay on delivery, or you want to add different payment method basically for physical product. So what we can do here. So when you go to payment integrations, let's add a cash on delivery. So cash on delivery basically means when someone, when the product is delivered to the user, you collect the payment. It can be physical, it can be by cash, it can be you have a POS in your shop or something like that. You get the payment from them. So let's go and add the cash on delivery. So we just put an instruction, say payment to be collected on delivery. So we just put the same message. We say thank you for your order. So yeah, you can decide where you want this cash on delivery to come up. So you want it on an e-commerce store. It can be on your order form, it can be on forms, it can be on software. Remember, you can collect payment in every all these places on Triangle. So let's just put e-commerce store and we save that. That is safe. You can also add custom payment. Custom payment that basically you want people to pay to a particular bank account. You want to give them instruction on how to make the payment. You can add that basically. But let's start with cash on delivery. So we've done that. Let's go back to our product right now. We are still in the payment section. So we go to products. So products are this is where you see all your products where you can add physical product, digital product. We are selling any type of product, you're selling services, anything you are selling in Triangle is a product. Whether you're selling a course, you're selling a service, you're selling a physical product, digital product, those are all products. So you can create them here basically. So before we start creating our product, I want us to for e-commerce store, you can there's way you can categorize your product into different collections. So it's easier for people to, it's easier for you to people to buy the type of product that is in the same collection. Let's say we are going to Christmas very soon right now. Let's say you have a Christmas collection, and that collection you have Christmas tree, Christmas clothes, everything Christmas can be in the same collection. So what that helps you is to help you organize your products in a very good manner. So let's go to collections. So when you go on products, on payment, sorry, and on products, you go to collections. Let's go on collections. So here, this is where we create our collection. So we create a collection which is like a group that houses different products. So let's go. You create products, create collection. Sorry. Let's call this one Christmas. Promise. Can you what name do you think we should call this? Let's just give it a collection name.
I'll call it Poja collection. Poja.
Poja. Okay,
Yeah.
Poja.
Yeah.
So, and you can select an image, a collection image from here. So even if you don't have image, you can search on stock image because we are connected with Peso and all those. So you can, let's say we call, what does project signify? What image can we use to search for it here?
Use use a male image.
Okay, let's say,
Yeah.
so we can just use any of these. Let's
Yeah.
use
Yeah.
this one for
Okay.
example.
Funny one. Yeah.
You
That's
add it to your media. Once I add it to my media, so I can now close this here and go to my media, see the image here. So I can now insert it, I select it, and I insert it to my media. So we have that. So even if you have your own collection image, you can import it directly. If you don't have, you can search directly. We are connected with Pixel and Upslash, so you can get image online quickly. So yeah, and there is different ways you can add product to your collection. So uh, you can add manually. You can search for the product. Maybe you've already created a product already, and you can search for the product and select the products and add them to your collection. Know that a product can be in multiple collections basically, and a collection can have multiple products basically. So, but we're not going to add it here. I want to show you how we can add it when we are creating the product, right? So we can see how that looks like. Yeah. So meanwhile, as we're doing that, if you have any question, please make sure to drop it on the chat. So we can get your questions basically. Yeah. So this is how you can add manually product to your collection, or you can also do have what we call smart collections, whereby you put a condition so that any product that matches that condition will automatically be added to that collection by the system. So you don't need to do anything on this one. So, but this one we don't want to do anything here. We just take it back to manual. Now you can put your SEO title. Let's say we just call it. I'll just say this is yes for search engine optimization. You can put the description. And you can even put the handle basically. So, but that is go. Let's save this one. So this is project collection. Is let me say if you go back here, we saw this is a project collection. So I have some other collection. I have other collections here. I have no. Let's add one for uh, remember, a product can be on, it can be a collection, it can also not be on a collection. So I have some collection already created. I've called this one specialty collection basically. So we have this collection created right now. So let's go back to our products. I'll also let me just run through some of these and then we can go back to creating the product inventory. Remember, you can manage inventory on Trimake. So let's say you're selling physical product, and this year you can manage the inventory for that product basically. So let's say you have different, for example, if you go to iPhone right now, you can turn on the inventory. You have 10 copies of 10 available quantity of this product, and if you want to continue selling when the product is out of stock, so you can manage this. This helps you to keep so that when on your store, when someone wants to buy an out of stock product, the system will automatically detect that this product is out of stock and will help them and will help you so that they will not buy that product. So right, that's we give you inventory management. Like you don't need to go elsewhere to manage your inventory. Everything is automatically here done for you. So let's go to products right now. Before we get to product, I want to show you also the review section. Review is when you can, because on your store, people can leave reviews on your store to help you grow your store, help you sell. This is where you can see all the reviews, approve reviews. You can see approve reviews. You can see unapproved review. You can even delete reviews basically. So this is where we also come back to here. We'll also show you how to do some of these things. So yeah, I promise. Before we continue, do you have anything to say? I will push.
Yeah. I someone sent me a message. I was like, I know we're gonna get into that. I was like, I struggle with manual booking. And I know that, like, I keep asking people, how many of you just struggle with manual booking? Someone, of course, is sending a message that they're struggling with manual booking and they still struggle to confirm booking manually. Then it tend to ask those multiple questions. These are the things Tribingo can actually help you and do. How can I confirm booking manually? That's customer DM them randomly. Okay, how they forget to follow up DMs. I need one system that can do all those things. Again, this is what we're going to show you live demonstration that we can show you that the era of manual booking is gone. So the point of African SMEs that are not getting the traction they're looking for is because they're actually doing everything themselves. Now with automation, your manual booking stress and problem is solved, and we're going to be able to show you how that works here. So just keep watching and following what we're doing. We're going to be able to show you how to, um, as in, automate all your booking system instead of you struggling to book or forgetting follow-ups and stuff like that. Prince, when do you think we can do that demonstration? Is it after this one or before the
I think
um
because today we are focusing mostly on e-commerce stores. So booking system basically comes with people that deal with service based that we talked about it last week, but we can
that's
also go back to the video and watch those videos basically. So,
okay.
but here, let's say you're dealing with product and you have people that you have physical product that people can buy, on all those stores. So the system also to automate all this process for you.
Yeah, yeah. So talk
So
about a little bit of automation so that the person will understand that you don't need to, worry so much about manually doing some things. Some things can still be automated even as an e-commerce owner.
yeah, almost everything we're doing here will be automated. So sending invoicing, sending delivery if a digital product, when someone buys a digital product, the system automatically send it to them. So you don't need to do anything on that. But people are on your cart and they forget to check out. The system automatically send them an email to recover that product. When someone buys the product, system automatically send them a confirmation of the product they bought and all those information. You
Okay.
can automate all these things are done for you without you doing any advanced automation. You can even do more advanced automations, like when someone make a payment, you want to give the person a special coupon, you want to do stuff, so you can do those advanced automation. We're going to show you some of those advanced automation, but on the default, without you doing any advanced automations, the system handles all those things for you by default already.
Perfect. That's actually a good response. That was
Yeah.
good. Thank you.
All right, cool. Let's continue. So now we're on the product section. This is where we create our product right now. So you can import from CSV. Different ways you can create product on Trimingo. So you can import from CSV. You can download the sample CSV and see how we arrange the file. So you can import them and automatically the system will import it for you. You can, if you are using Stripe, you can import your product from Stripe. Or also now you can create product. Let's click on create product. Remember, we want this product to show on an online store. So one of the things by default is toggle to include an online store. So if you don't toggle this on, if you don't toggle this on, the product will not show on online store. So we toggle it on so that it shows what online store so that people can see it on our store. Remember, we're still going to create our store. So we are just setting our product so that we can show you. Once you set up this thing, automatically your store is simple as that. So let's just put uh let's call this a t-shirt. T-shirt pro. I'll just put this is the title of your product. We'll just put I'll just put a sample. This remember we are just this with this one we're taking we'll create a physical product, a digital product. This one is a physical product, right? We just do that here. So I'll call this one I just say this is a test.
And let me even interject a little bit. Again, the idea of constant every Sunday Launchpad is to be able to learn how to do these things yourself. Because you need to be able to manage and build yourself. So as we are building, if you have any questions, if you want to understand something, of course you can always ask those questions either through any of our social media platforms or online here. There's no problem. The
Yeah.
idea is helping you upscale your digital skill, know how to build and manage your digital system, even though you've transitioned from physical stores to online stores. So you can be able to connect and integrate all these things yourself. We're going to be doing these things consistently every Sunday so that we can be able to help business owners, e-commerce owners build multiple product pages and integrate anything they want to integrate in their business.
Awesome. Yeah, that's true. So go back to subscribe to the channel, come back here to check any video you're looking for. Remember, as we are building product, you can create unlimited product on Trimingo. So whether you have physical store and you want them to come online so people can see your physical product and when they order, they can come to the store and pick up the order. That will help you reduce if you're a supermarket or something, reduce people queuing up on your store. So when they can pay online and they can come and pick up their product, basically. That's what Marketing Triangle will help you to do. So you can also enable product label. So product label I will show you how it looks like. Remember when you go to online store, you see like we have Black Friday right now. You see sales. You have Black Friday deal. All those things that show up on your store on your store card on your product card. This is what we can do. So let's just say this. Let's call this one. Let's call it 30 December. Why not?
Exactly.
So we call it 30 December. And remember, you can set the visibility. It can be from start. You can make this start. It start from this particular time and it end this particular time, so that once it start, this label will show on the product, and if it ends, the label will disappear automatically. So you can do that. This will help you to put some. This is one of the. This is very good for sales. It helps you put urgency on a product so people can buy. Maybe you're running a discount on that particular product. People can buy on that period. So you have collection. Remember, we created a collection. Now this is where we can now assign a product to that collection, a product to that collection. So you can now come here, select the. Remember, this is a collection Poja. We select it. Remember now the product can be in multiple collections, but we just put on Poja. Then you can, if you have tasks, you can put the task category and all those things. You can do all those things and leave them. Then yeah, this is where we attach the product image itself, right? It's where we now attach. You can upload any product images for your products. So with this, just let's go ahead and upload product image. Let's just search for t-shirt. Uh, let's search for t-shirt. Let's say t-shirt. Okay, let's go to our file. Then I'll search for t-shirt. All right, so we have some t-shirt coming over here. Some stocks here. Let's choose this one here. I'll add this to my media. I'll ask let's search for another one again. Let's do this one too. I'll add this to my media. So yeah, I have these two shares right now. I will clear this, then select the two. Select this one. I also select this one. Then I insert the files. So right now I have two shares. You see how easily if you can upload while we're doing right now. I'm doing this without you can because I don't have most of these images. I can search online to get the images, or if you have your product images, you can just import them easily. So remember, the first image on this will be the default image that will be displayed when a customer goes on the store to see their product. So you can switch that. You can drag and drop and move it like this. You switch it over. This will become the default image. Now this is where we state the price for the product. So it can be recurring or one time. One time means that the person needs to pay once to get that product. If you switch it to recurring, means that the person you can set the billing period. It can be monthly, weekly, yearly, or, not, or daily. So that when every time the system will automatically be charging. That one of the things that will help you do. You don't need to worry about if, especially when if you are a creator, if you are a course, if you are a coach and all those things, you can create membership whereby every month recurring income will be coming for you. So this system Trimen will help you handle all those things. So you don't need to worry about reminding members, reminding users when to make the payment, reminding them follow. Collecting payment can be stressful, right? Nobody likes pushing some people for money, right? So it can be very, but the system does that for you. So you don't need to worry about all those things. So this is for people that are dealing with recurring payments. But for this, we want the people to buy it once. So we put their price. Let's call this is 25,000 naira. Remember, you can choose different currencies here and the one that suits you. So you're working naira. So you can put a compare at price. If you hover and they say enter a value higher than your price to display a markdown. So this price is shown with a strike through. Remember when you go to some store, we show you how it looks like on your store. When you go to some store, you see that 50% discounts and the old price is strike through. This helps you to create like discount on your product. This is what we can do. Let's say initially the price was 30,000 naira or 35,000 naira. Yeah, the old price was at 5,000 naira. We do like that. So this is now where we can manage inventory. Remember, I showed you inventory. You can also put inventory here. Let's track inventory. Let's say the quantity available for this product is let's say 20. We have 20 in stock. You can put a price description. Basically we don't need all this for e-commerce, so we don't need all those things. So variant now, remember I said we have different. Okay, before let me add some more let me add some more picture on this so we can understand what that variant mean very well. Let's start for a blue t-shirt, right? Let's start for a blue t-shirt. So this is a let's use this blue t-shirt. I'll add this one, and I'll also let's search for another red t-shirt. Red t-shirt. So we use this one, red t-shirt, and let's add this one. I'll add this one also. Then lastly, let's just search for a white t-shirt. Yes, I will just use this one and this one. Awesome. So I'll clear this now and go back to my source. So I'll select these images. So I want to show you how the variant works out. We'll understand the variant very well. Select this one, select this one, select this one, select this one, and insert them to my product images. So I have all my product images right now. I have more images right now. So now remember I want to add variants. So I can now add different variants to a product, right? Can say the first variant will be, I'll call the first variant. Variant can be by size or color, right? Maybe we'll say color, right? For example, I will say this is color, right? The first color will say red. We have blue, right? We have white, and we can have others. So we have okay, we can call this one white too, right? Let's say we have red. Let's remove. We have red, white, and blue, basically. We're done here. So this variant, this is where we can now add a price to each one. How cool! So you can now customize on your store. Now you can maybe for people selling physical product, you have different variant of your sizes, different size, different color. You can call it anything. Then for each one, you maybe say different. Let's say for example, the price for the red one, let's say the white one is 20K, and you can put a quantity for each one. Let's say this one will be I have 8 copies of this. For blue, I want to say 25K, and I have 30 copy of this. And for the white, I have remember this one now. This quantity we are putting here will it's going to override the old quantity, because right now we are doing variant. You understand we are doing variant right now because we want to say quantity for each particular type of color we have basically. So white, let's say we're selling white for 30,000 naira, for example. Um, White 30K, and white we have 7 of them. So right now we have different products, different sizes, right? Different this. You can put your SEO and all those things, it doesn't matter. And I will just save this. So we're not done here. When we are finished saving, remember we save this in that now. So what we can now do now is for red, let's now attach images to them. Are you following? This is making sense now,
Yeah,
right?
it's making a lot of sense. Yeah,
See how
it's
we are building
coming
up
together.
see
Yeah.
how we are building up this thing. For red now, let's pick this is red. We'll just pick the one by one and save this one. Um I can even open the image. Let's open it now. Add the image quickly here. Let's add them. Let's add the first one red. This is a red picture. This for the red one because it can be one image for the red. Blue. Let's add blue. This is blue. Save this. And this is white. Let's select the white. Okay, let's do that and save it. Then I will just save this here. If I go back here, he can do it directly from. He can do it here because I thought I didn't save the other ones. I can just select here and select red, and I'll save red. I'll select this blue, and I'll save blue. I can save them here right now. You can see I've saved the color. So what this does right now is that when someone goes on the store and toggle to red, the picture of the red product will show. When someone go to store and click on blue, remember when you go to store and choose the size, it's the size of the particular picture, the picture of the particular one shows up. That's how we are building up all these things for you. And even right now, you can even go to a particular variant now, add, let's say you have physical for physical, you can put the weight and kilometer. What this does for you is that you can now use this weight and put for delivery. You can charge a particular delivery fee amount for the particular size of the product. If the product is more than this particular size, you charge higher amount of delivery fee. We're going to show you how to set up all those shipping fees. So you can see those because you can set up your shipping fees on Trimango. And when someone goes to checkout, they will see the shipping fees right now on the checkout also. Yeah, promise. How is it going? How is the build going?
Amazing. Like I keep saying, that what we're doing for African SME is a digital revolution.
Yeah.
Because looking at what has been happening in the last 5 years, people in Africa do not have accessibility to systems like this. So with Trimingo, we're bringing it down home. That is why this was built with African SMEs in mind, And looking at how we work, how we function in Africa is communal. We built together. We very our connect ability is very much on point. With this, it's going to be seamless for people to make payment and order for their product seamlessly without having to worry how to get it done.
Awesome. Cool. So yeah, the build is making sense. We're getting to the sweet part. So yeah, I've done the physical product is ready. Everything is clean. We've done that. We saved our picture product images and all those stuff. Everything is looking cool right now. And you can put the SEO title for the product, SEO description, so it will help for search engine optimization and all
So
those
we
things.
should also make them understand that this is what they can actually do themselves. Very, very important. And it's consistency. Like in this digital world, we need to start thinking of learning new skills, and hopping on Trimingle can help you learn how to build a lot of things differently, even using our AI agent. These
Yeah.
things are not like so difficult. We will build a platform that will remove that technical difficulty. As a non-technical business owner, can actually be able to do all these things. So do not think a lot about variants being a big word. It's not a big word. Like he said, you can actually use that variant feature to be able to make discounts, things like that, promo, stuff like that. This is what Tribing is all about. So variant basically is all about a feature, how you can use and discount some of your products that you can attract some more customers and buy more things for yourself. So, like I said, consistency, pain process is you learning how to get these things done, how to upload your products on the platform, and how to now become conversant of how digital online stores work, basically.
Yeah, yeah. All this, I think, I believe, for an e-commerce person or anyone, these are, like I said, in a variant just mean different. You have different type of product. Maybe you're selling t-shirt, you have the red color, you have the white color, you have the blue color. Like we're giving here, maybe you're selling bread, you have the small bread, you have the big bread, you have the medium bread. These are the different size because you price them differently, and this what variants help you to divide your product in different categories, basically. Yeah. So go back to the video. If you have questions, come and ask. We're always here to go to our follow us on YouTube. We are on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Go to our website, trymango.com. You will check it on. We'll put all the links on the description, and you get all the information you need. So yeah, that is it. Let's now move. So we created the t-shirt. We have three variants of the t-shirt. Let's create a digital product quickly. Let's just call this one social media uh, um, master, for example. So this will be a digital product is product that will be delivered automatically on themselves. So you don't need you create it once and you sell it recurring. You don't need to. It's like an ebook or maybe teaching a course or something you have for digital products. So we can say this is a test.
So in that means in the online store, they still have ability to plug in their digital product apart
Yeah,
from
you can sell anything, both digital and physical product. That's what we're doing
amazing,
here. Yeah,
amazing, amazing. So
yeah,
that's what I want our audience to understand that both physical and digital products, you can sell it in one place.
yeah. All right, cool. This one we can add a label to this digital so people know that this is a digital product. Put the digital here. We don't want collection. I will just select any of the collection already created before. I'll search for social media. Uh, Let me see the let's say digital publishing and content. I'll just select this one. Remember, if you don't have any variant, you can click here and open and create your own creative variant directly. You don't need to go to that variant page to create a variant. You can create it directly from here and you still get whatever you want. Yeah. Let's close that. We can put the an image here. Let's search for social media. I'll just select I'll just use this one. I'll add this. Then I'll close this. Then insert this now to my product. I'll just select one of these product. Select. I think I have one mic I can put here. I'll just select this one too and then insert it. So we have this product, social media, one-time product. I'll call this one. Let's say this is 5k naira. Yeah, and compare the old price. Let's say the old price was 12,000 naira. I don't want to because for digital products you don't need to track inventory because it's unlimited, right? Anybody can buy. It doesn't have you don't need to create variant. It doesn't really matter. Those things are very the variant and track inventory is most importantly when you are doing most important when you are doing digital
Physical
product, physical
products.
products. Yeah. So yeah, we've set the product right now, but want to do one more thing. Can go here and add the display main
Wow.
image for that and
This
say
is so cool. This is so cool. That means someone was like, that means I can go to China, take pictures of my accessory products and also plug in my digital product, my books and everything in one place. Of
one
course, you can
place.
do
Yeah,
that.
you
You
can.
can do that. You can even connect your multiple physical stores and put everything on one place.
Yeah,
So
you can on Trimago you can create unlimited store. Any amount of
exactly.
store you want, you can create. We'll show you that quickly. So yeah, we just after creating this, let's turn this into a digital product. So we click on the price. Once we land here, what we can do now is to go to switch it to digital product. Safe shipping and delivery. If you go shipping and delivery, let me go back so you see what I did now. If I go back here, after I've created and clicked, after putting the basic information of the product and click save, then what I do is what? Click on the price, click on this on the price here, then enter into the main price of the product and go to shipping and delivery and switch it over to data product. Now this is where you can now upload the files that will be delivered. So when we upload files here to deliver to the user post checkout, so users can download these files on checkout page and receive an email as well. So when you put your product after user pays for the product right now, they will see a button on check after a checkout for them to click and download the product. So right now you don't need to worry and then just upload the product, digital product here. The system handles the delivery for you. So you don't need to you don't need people don't your people your user don't need to call you and say I paid the when am I seeing the product?
Yep.
You don't need to worry about those things. The system does it for you automatically.
And we are better than other online stores out there, the Shopify and whatnot. You are owning your stuff. You are actually in charge of whatever that you are making. So it's different. So when someone is asking, is it different? What's different between Shopify and the Drive Mingo? So you own everything.
Yeah.
You can create multiple stores too, and you still own it too. So seamlessly easier. It's not going to be so much technical issues to figure out. And if you ever need any type of support system, we are 247 available to resolve any issue.
Yeah. All right, cool. Let's just upload it. If you can upload to 10 files or it's more than 10 files, you can zip them together. Now upload it. Just select let's say this is my digital product. I'll select it. You can upload here. Remember, you have your media storage here where you can connect your Google Drive. You can use AI to create images. If you want to create image, use AI can create image for you if you're looking for image. Or you can upload from a file, create folders on we'll have the storage for you. And when you upload all this is you have your own Triming will have your own media storage. So all the files you put here will be on your media storage. You don't need to start uploading them again. If you upload them once, you can use them everywhere. You select this and we save this. So we have these two products right now. We are good right now. We set this one. Let's just select this and save everything here. We are good. So we have these two products, social media master and what a t-shirt pro. So if I go back to my collection right now and look at this, you see page now have one product in it. You can see because we now added product in it from that place. If I go to inventory now, you can see also social media mastery one. You see t-shirt pro 7 quantity, t-shirt pro blue 3, red 8 quantity, and we put track inventory. You see, everything have synced together up right now. So now we've set up our product right now. It's now for us to create our store. The easiest part of it. So let's go to sites and you go to stores. So once you go to store, you can see I have many stores here. You can create unlimited stores. If you don't have anyone, you won't see anything here. But if you want to start, you just create a new store. We have two ways you can create a store. You can quick start, which is the easiest way, where we have ready to launch stuff for you. Everything is built. The checkout page, the product description, the home page, everything is done for you. Your own is just the system will automatically sync your product you ticked. Show the product. Remember, let's go back to this. Let's go back to products. Let's go to payments and go back to product. I want to show you something quickly. Remember here we say include in store. So any product you include in store will also show up what on that store. But you may be asking, what if I don't want, I want a particular product to be in a particular store. I don't want them to be in all the whole store. How do I do that? We'll show you how to remove some product from a particular store. Let's say you have a store. This store is for people in Lagos. This store is for people in Port Harcourt, or this store is for people outside the country. You want to segregate the stores and you want a particular type of product in those stores. How can you do that? We'll show you quickly how you can do that. But make sure that you include in store here. That's if you toggle this off, the product will not show up in store. Make sure this is included in store. For you don't want the product to be show up on your online store, you toggle it off. Is that clear? I hope that's clear. Yeah, cool. All right. So let's go back to our site and create. Go to stores, create a new store. So you can start with start or you can create from template. I will just show you some sample templates we have. We have like preview different type of template depending on what you're selling. You can preview them and see what it looks like. Let's preview this one. See how this for furniture people like professional looking stores that is clean, designed, all this. You only just select this template and your product will automatically be synced in here. Will replace all this thing with your own product. You don't need to do anything. This one, the templates we have, depending on what you're doing, you can choose any one that works for you. But easiest way, we just come here, I'll close this and start from quick start. I'll just call this my t-shirt store. I'll just create here. The system is adding all the whole store, optimizing your store, putting all the components, and when you click on create, everything is happening. Your store is created, it will take you to the detail part of the store. My store, all our products, all this thing will be replaced with your own main product. Don't worry about all this thing replaced. Let's preview our store quickly. If you click on this, the eye icon here, click on the eye icon, our store is set up. See, like, is that
Amazing, amazing, fantastic.
you have your store, you
No,
have your product. These are the
seamlessly
products that
done.
I have already
Mm.
synced in my store. You can switch over and see the different products. These are all the products I have in my store. Like I told you, you can remove some products and put some of the product you don't want. So let's go and remove some of these products because you'll be wondering where did this product come from? We didn't create it. What are the ones that we created right now? Let's just search for the ones we created. Let's search for t-shirt. You see that the ones we created is there. See the t-shirt. See t-shirt here? Let's open it. Voila.
Wow, amazing.
How cool was that? So the product description, you see the 30 December we've added. The label is there. The colors, you can switch. If I switch to blue now, the blue one will show. You see the blue, change to blue. Blue is showing now. You can see that. If I switch to white, the white one will show up white. You can see the different distance, different. You can add quantity, you can add to cart, you can buy now. There's review session. People can come here and write review for your product and put review and all those information. So all these things have been done for you automatically. Your store is ready. Like the store is ready. If I go to products right now, this is where I see all my products, the ones I've created because you're selling more products here because I have more products on my store. But let's go back and remove some products we don't want on this store, right? Let's do that. So let's do that. Let's go back to this place. Then I'll go back. I'll leave here and go back to my stores. Once I go to my stores right now, so I search for my. This is the t-shirt store, and I open this store. Let's open it. Let's open our store quickly. Our store is loading. Let's just wait for the store to load quickly. I think my net. Let's refresh this so to get our store loaded. Yeah, my store is loaded right now. Then I go to see products here. I see products. Once you click on products, this is all the products in this store. You see, you can what you see on the tab here, I see included and excluded. So and I can exclude some product from this store right now and it will show up. So let's exclude some products basically. I don't want all these to show up. I'll remove all these ones, remove all this one, remove all this, remove this one. I'll click, I will exclude them, bulk action, exclude from this store. To be excluded from this, it will not show up on this store. I will look for some other ones. You can see the label excluded, 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 excluded from this store. If I want to exclude this one too, I will go to the other ones. I think I can leave some of these ones. Let's just exclude those ones. So these ones will not show up on this store. If I come here, let's exclude this one also. You see now I have 7 products excluded from there. So that's how you can now separate any product you don't want to be in a particular store. You can exclude them from this store and they will not show up on that particular store. So if I go back to my store right now, before we go there, I want to show you some things here. This is where you can go to settings, and add, your chat with it. You can right now we're setting up the store. If you want, I want us to do some test payment. We don't want to collect live payment. We can come here and toggle off this out. Any payment we take on this store will become a test payment. Let's toggle that off so we can test our payment. I will save this. You can look at statistics, what's happening on your store. Yeah, statistics. You can see what's happening on the store. Different pages where people are going to. What are they seeing on that pages or all those events? You can see the product list, product details. You can see the last time we visited. You can see. Remember, we visited the product details page. I can see unique visit one. You'll have analytics here already for you. You don't need to do you don't need to have any place tracking your everything is tracked here for you. You can see earnings, how much is coming, orders, sales quantity, average cart time. You can see all those things done for you. This way you can manage and see how your product is doing. So let's go back to our pages. Let's come and click here on edit. So you can see here, this is where we can edit. You don't need to do anything here. Everything is done for you. Let's preview this again. You can see I'll remove those products right now. So we just have what we have, what we added on this. These are all the pagination. If you have any more products, the pagination is done for you already. No, you search. There's search functionality already done. Sorting is there. You can sort. You can sort by price. Your customers can sort. They can go to a particular product. Let's go back to our iPhone. Okay, let's have for digital product. We call it social media master. This social media master we added here is this one. Digital. Remember, we typed it digital. This is it. Users can come. I can come here and click on, let's say, to quantity. I can buy and I can add to cart, add it to cart. I can view my cart. I can go to checkout. User can now put their phone number, put address, and make payment. We'll show you that. Let's just make a test payment right now. I'll just put some. I'll just put some. Let's call this test. Yeah, I'll just select some of these things here. Yeah, building same as this thing here, and I click make payment. Remember, I want to make, you can even manage coupon code and all these things. People user can add additional note to the product, coupon code, and I can click make payment. Voila, you come here.
Now, I think our audience have learned one of the things we included in our Launchpad today: processing payments seamlessly.
Yeah,
So this is it.
this is easy.
Very
Like coolly, you can collect payment right now. Users can come here. We are doing a test. Remember, this is a test payment. We just with no money, the money will be charged here. You can transaction fee will be there. You can pass the transaction fee to your user, or you can collect it. I can confirm this payment. Remember, we are powered by Flutterwave here. If I click on confirm payment, you can choose different payment method. Your user can choose payment method, either card, USD, or bank transfer. I use bank transfer. I'll just click on pay. I made this payment. I'll confirm the payment. The system is verifying the testing, and once it's done, thank you page. It takes the user directly to the thank you page because
amazing, amazing, amazing.
the user will receive the email automated. If
Yeah.
because I'm on a test, this currently not on live. I've not deployed this milestone. Once I deploy it, the user will also see a download button for them to download this product, and also they can log in. They have user can log into their own account directly from your store and download their product. And I can change this to be, you can, this upsell, we call it upsell product. You can put another product so our user can buy this product again. You can go back to continue shopping. I will just quickly show you the receipt that have been sent right now to us, to the user. This is the receipt that have been sent right now to the user. Thank you for your recent purchase. Dear, thank you for recent purchase of our product. You can view the invoice. This is the invoice that have been sent right now.
Branded with your
With your
company,
logo, your company, everything, your address, everything
everything.
is done. You don't need to worry about
Yeah.
anything. Everything is done for you. You can
Cool.
brand all these things. Like, is
So
that
let me just do a recap. We have 10 minutes now. We've been able to show you that you can create unlimited e-stores, like create professional e-commerce stores unlimited. If you've been able to see that here, you can be able to also understand that you can automate your inventory and order management, easily done on Tribingo. You can also process payment, which was just shown right now, which is done seamlessly.
yeah,
And of course, never run out of stock. Of course, like this is so much easy here. So track sales in real time. You can still see that here. So your scalability is gonna be easy with Tribingo, basically.
yeah. Yeah, before we go, I want to show you the physical product. Then we see how we can manage orders on physical product. This is the digital product we just tested right now. So let's quickly go back here and set up. If you go to payment and go to settings right now, we can go to shipping and shipping. If you go to, let's go back to, sorry, payments, and go to settings and go to shipping and delivery. So this is where you can create. I will just delete this one, different zone I created before. Um, let's delete this zone. So this is where you can create different shipping zones for your physical product delivery. Let's say you want users to see the shipping fee, pay the shipping fee, or the amount of shipping fee when they're making the when they're purchasing the product from your store. I can come here add the zone. I add this one. We'll call this Nigeria, or maybe I'll call it local delivery because this is within local. And you select zones are made up of countries. Countries are where you want to you want to collect shipping from. Basically, you want to ship to. I'll just also Nigeria because yeah, want to do Nigeria. I'll create a zone local. So you can add, maybe you're seeking for to UK, you can add UK zone. So when someone pays from that country, the particular price will shown to them for delivery. So let's add the rate. After you create a zone, you create a rate. Let's call this one let's call Lagos rate. And okay, let's say you're shipping to Lagos is 2,000 naira. Remember, you can add conditional price. Conditional price, remember I told you about weight. You can be the size of the item you want to charge a particular amount of fee, or by order price. Let's say if the person order from this price, minimum price or maximum price, you want to give them free delivery or something. You can set all these things here. But let's add this one. Let's add another one, another rate. Let's call this one Abuja rate. And let's call your shipping to Abuja is 1,000 naira, and we save this. So this is done. We saved it right now. So let's go back to our store now and make an order. Let's go back to our store right now and make and look for our t-shirts. Let me show you how the homepage looks like on our store. So our homepage. This is where you can change this to our
Fantastic.
collection.
Fantastic.
Our collections. Let's just set up our homepage quickly where we can see how it looks like. Let's go back to our store here, our site. Then go to store and go to t-shirts and store. Then go to and edit our homepage. Let's edit it. So this is our collection. Remember, we create different collection. You can now come here and if you select on this on the collection page, editor comes on the right hand side where you can change the collection. If you click on this one and I'll start for the collection, we call this Poja. We select Poja to change. Remember Poja, see that picture we added that time, change to that. Let's select this one, social media. Let's call this one let's creative hub. And the last one, this some of the distance collection I have before. You can search for different collection. Let's call this one content creation. And for feature product, let's some product out. Feature product you want to be featured on your store. You want them to become a feature product. You click on this. Remember, this have been done for you. You don't need to only just to change the product you want. You can come here and say, I want the t-shirt pro to be one of the feature products. You see, it comes down here. And also I want to change this one to be social. Remember we say social media master. And the last one, I will just choose one of my products I already have. I'll call this maybe complete course here. I'll select this and I'll save this. Remember, you click on save and it's saved right now. SEO is also done for you. You can also update your SEO if you want. Then let's go back to our store and refresh this page. See how cool was that? Our collections is now set up for us right now. So if I click on Poja right now, collection, if I go to it to open all the products under Poja collection, if I go back to my displays and select creative design hub to open all the products I have under creative design hub. And if I select to buy a creative design hub product right now, to show me recommended product also. Everything is done. Amazing.
Amazing. Amazing.
This is the power of the collection that we did, putting products so you can the system
Amazing.
can recommend them together for you. And the description is done. You can buy now add to cart. Like everything is done for you. So let's just quickly go back to our product right now and buy a physical product. Let's search for that our t-shirt because of time. T-shirt pro. Let's do that. Let's add. We want to buy two quantities of this and I'll add to cart. Or you can just I'll just buy now. You can buy now two quantity, one quantity. I can let's edit this cart and increase the quantity. Let's make it 40,000 naira. Continue to check out 40,000 here. Two quantity 40. I'll just put in my address, put our name test. I'll just put this test again. So I'll just choose see shipping and delivery. If I'm in Lagos shipping price, see because my country is in Nigeria, Lagos shipping rate, you come back here, see the rate. The user will see Lagos rate. If your address is in Lagos, it becomes 2,000 naira. You can see it, right? If I choose to Abuja, 1,000 naira. So the user, the shipping methods are already down for you there. So the user needs to see the shipping method, and you can see now we have cash on delivery because this is a physical product. You see cash on delivery. Remember, we will set up cash on delivery initially. You can see pay online. Let's say we do cash on delivery right now and the Lagos shipping rate is 1,000 naira. Everything. So the user will not need to pay 4,200, but it's cash on delivery. Let's make the payment. Receipt will also be sent to the user automatically. Let's confirm whether the receipt goes to us for physical products. So we are sure everything is getting to us, right? Let me show you the receipt quickly. So you see our order confirmation. Thank you for for your purchase. Can you see the order confirmation? Hi, please find your order details here. You see the order confirmation. This is the last one, the t-shirt store that I did. Order confirmation. Let me show you the order confirmation uh for the physical product we just bought right now. Let's do that quickly. Yeah, let's show you. You can see order confirmation. Thank you for example the t-shirt we just bought now. How cool was that? Can go
Amazing. Amazing.
your this
Amazing.
the user gets the order, you can view order. So let's
Mm.
go and fulfill the order quickly for the user. So the user just bought this product. Let's go and fulfill that order. So the user can see because a physical product, right? Physical products, the user does not see it already. Let's say you've delivered to the user and you want to now fulfill this order for the user. So you can come back to your site and go to payment and go to orders. This is where you see the orders. You come here and click on orders. You see, test this is the last order. It's not fulfilled. The last one, the physical digital product will fulfilled automatically. This one have not been fulfilled. So unfulfilled right now, you can come here and view the order. It's where you can view order, see the product, how much the person was. You can even print packing slip and print the label and put on the shipping. And we come here, the balance the person needs to pay for 2,000 naira. The user goes there, the delivery person needs to go there and collect the payment. You can come here and add fulfill item, click on fulfill. You put a tracking number. Let's say you want to put tracking number for the user. You are using DHL. Let's call this example test tracking. I put DHL, or let's say you are using God is good. God is good. You can put the URL for the order. You notify the customer. Also, the system will notify the customer automatically that you will send the shipping details for the user, and you save this. The order has been fulfilled. The shipping distance. You can also print this label. Print the label with the order. I'll show you how the label looks like.
Amazing. 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 This
You
is
can,
really,
you can print
really
the label. Then you can
revolutionary.
like here, you can come here now and collect. Let's say you've collected the payment. You can say I collect the payment by cash, and you can put the notes. Let's say uh, John collected payment.
Mm. The
This for
record
physical
keeping
products.
is intact.
Yeah,
That's good.
and mark it,
Yeah.
and it's confirmed. Everything is confirmed. Fulfilled. Order is fulfilled. Succeeded. User received the listen. The shipping slip can be printed, and everything is done for you. Basically, how cool was that?
Amazing. Amazing.
So yeah,
Amazing.
We have everything. This is the simple flow because we spend time to explain this in depth so that you can come here and see your orders, fulfill the order for physical product or for digital product is sent automatically, email, delivery, confirmation, abandon cart, everything is done for you. Have more because of time, automation to add automation on these things and all this is automated for you. The only thing you are doing here is coming here for physical product. The only thing you are doing on your own is to come here and fulfill the order. Receipt, reminding, everything will be done for you automatically. Confirmation receipt. Remember when you fulfill the order date, you tick where to send the confirmation to the user. The user received confirmation and everything else. Let me show you that one so you see the confirmation. The last receipt we received, I'll show you. So let's see the email that was sent to the user. Automatically, you didn't do anything. Your order this one customized to your this you can your logo will be here. Your order has been dispatched. There, your order has been dispatched. Your order number, shipping courier, God is good. Tracking number, if you put the tracking URL with here, thank you. Like it's done for you. So yeah, you have everything that you need, automated process for you. Users, you can customize everything that you need to do. And your store, you can create a limited store, you can build anything you want to build. So yeah, promise, how was that?
Amazing, amazing. Like I keep telling people reaching out to me every time whenever I post my content, we're here to revolutionize digital stores. We're here to make sure that digital money is accessible to everyone. Now, looking at what is happening in universities in Nigeria, you can have your online store. You know, you can sell even while going to school. You know, it can also be a course creator and, of course, use Triangle tools and scale your business. You know, it can also be students, union leader, religious leader in school. You're not creating your own personal system
Yeah.
that's going to have people reaching out to you in your own community. So we have everything in one stop,
Yeah,
right?
I did mention that you can customize the store the way you feel. Let's just put
Exactly.
one customization quickly so that people will see what you can do with your store.
We have a lot of things, man. We have a lot of things that
Like you can, if you don't like this how it looks like, you can customize this and make it look and feel. Let's say you want to add your a video on the homepage. One point you can a video of you talking about the product. You can come there. You can come here, go to your store, click on add element, and search for video. Select video and just drag and drop, and put the video here, and select the picture, the video you want. Select the video you want. Select the video from my store. I'll just select any of video. Let's see whether I have some video I already have here. Okay, let's go back. I don't have video here. I'll go here. Yeah, I'll just select this one for example, and just insert this video. The video is started here. I will just save this. Remember, you can customize this right now and change the background, change the thumbnail, allow the different autoplay and all those things you want. And I preview this right now. I share this, and this is the video. People can come here on your store. They can watch the video that you give them. You talking, they can play the video. You talking, whatever you want to say. You can add a lot of information. Let's just add one more thing, so you see how cool this is. So when I'm here, I just your creativity is your boundary, right?
yeah,
You
exactly.
can think or you can even add slider image, customize it, put some design graphics, anything you want to
So
do,
Triangle gives you the unlimited pool
element pool for you to
to
do
do
whatever you
anything
want
you
to
want.
do.
Yeah, that,
If you're a blog, you can put your blog, you can put image gallery, showcase your logo, showcase. Let's say I want to add some photo gallery somewhere here in between this.
so creative opportunities,
Yeah,
however you want to do
you
things.
have different photos of your product. I'll
That's
save
good.
this. I will go back here and show you how that looks. I'll preview this. Remember, you can change this image. See, your store now is looking different. I have a video talking about me. I have a search here. You can change this header to look whatever you want. I have some collections. I can customize this. I can change the styles. I can input the sliders. I can put a lot of information. You can write text. You can put anything like, is that cool? You can even put a chat, a customer a chat agent here that'll be talking to your customers. Follow AI agent that'll be talking to them, helping them buy product, giving them direction, and all the thing that you need. Like, is that cool? So yeah, we have a lot of things. Just is that cool?
So I have one word for someone on the fence, someone who is kind of, wow, this is a lot for me. How can I even understand this? Someone who want to be like, oh, okay, I'm okay with my physical stores, or someone who doesn't have an idea. Now, this is easy. We are in the digital era. A lot is changing. So no more physical things anymore. It
Yeah,
has to be digitalized. You need to connect to global audience. The world, of course, has moved on in a lot of things, right? So now, all you need to do, log into Trimingle, start in your own pace. We have 247 team ready to be able to, help you understand what you need to understand in your own pace. Now, as a student, you don't have an idea. You can sell over 1 million digital products, high selling digital products that people on social media, the influencers, are making thousands of dollars. We are giving it to you. This is like a freebie. Look at 2026. What do you even want to do? We have digital product that you can plug in your bank account, your brand name. Kabish, you're selling. Now you have a product idea. You can log into Triangle Basic Plan and start playing with our tools. Again, you're learning two things. Knowing how to use AI tools. No company in Africa right now is creating a platform where you can utilize a lot of AI agents to build multiple products for yourself. No company. Trimingo is doing that seamlessly, affordable, like in a way that you can be able to grow on your own pace. Now, let me warn you, this is not a quick risk scheme. Consistency is the key. You need to be able to overcome the pain process, which is your journey. You need to be able to be on this over 10,000 hours. This is how you actually, become economically independent. Actually, in life, multiple life failures can metamorphose to your success. But in Trimingo, your failures are actually going to be your training, your learning process, how to use our tools to scale. Kabish, you're growing. You being a religious leader, imam, pastor, whatever you are, you can now monetize your community. Stream in your community, schedule appointments where you want to have one-on-one video conversations, and people are going to pay for that. Have a dashboard that has like links of everything you are doing. You can consistently even sell your books. Maybe you are writing books. You can upload that on Tribingo and turn that to a book. You're selling. This is
yeah,
the world. This is the era of digital money, and it's not about the old money or new money. It's available to any individual, so there is no excuse. So
yeah,
it's not about your bad strategies that is the reason for your failures. It's actually you failing one. You'd be like, I've given up. You need to fail 1,000 times. Every great people you ever met in life have failed more than you. This is a fact. So in your journey to being economically emancipated, Trimingo is going to be working with you side by side. And
yeah.
any type of technical questions you need, we're going to be able to help you answer it. And now we're also telling you, you do not need to code. You just need to understand what you want to build, how you want to scale, what you need to scale. Slowly, you add, you grow. I have your platform generating multiple streams of income while you are sleeping. We want to fight against 9 to 5 repetitive work environment. We want you to be able to stay at home and build platforms and build product that is creating recurring income for you, even living in Africa. Having opportunity for even multiple currency, global currency like USD and whatnot. Say things that people in Canada, USA, UK can buy. Even being in Kigali, being in Lagos City, or being in Port Harcourt, just people seeing your product, global visibility, and Tribing is here to amplify those things for you. So
Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Thank
so
you, Promise. Yeah,
stop thinking,
yeah.
hop in. We are here with you.
All right.
Sign up, send emails to prince@trimingo.com, promise@trimingo.com, support@trimingo.com. Ask anything. Your journey as a builder, we are here with you to get
Awesome.
to that level that you want to get to. So
Awesome
thank you
stuff.
guys.
Good. Yeah. Before we go, I want to maybe you're thinking about you don't have any product to sell. You want to start making.
Yeah,
You don't have anything. I want to just show you our digital product
exactly,
store.
exactly.
So where you can start selling immediately. So you can own everything, sell everything. It's a collection of up to one access to 1 million plus digital products plus your own branded store. So you can start selling immediately without you doing anything. We have our team of professionals have crafted out one of the top selling digital products right now. Digital product is a game changer now. So you have automation, faceless blueprint, health and fitness, reels, Canva template, social media posts, different categories of anything
High
you're looking
selling,
for.
high
High
selling.
selling digital product, different categories. So you just have we have the lifetime access of if you 74,900 74,999 naira, you have access to 1 million plus digital products. You can rebrand and sell and put your brand and sell immediately. We have people that are using our products immediately. And also, if you want a done for you store, this is a product whereby you have the store done for you and you have products, almost 30 plus products loaded in your store already. You only just put your name and you start selling. Every money you make is your money. Everything you make is your money. You don't do anything, and you have all this done for you. So that one is 199,000 naira. So just all the stuff. It's one-time payment. It's not subscription. Once you get your store, you have access to 1 million plus data products with your store products installed in it. Your branded store, everything is done for you. Like you have a sample of the
Welcome.
store here.
Your store
Everything
is
is done for you. You can see the
automotive
store
hub
here.
and
Example of the store here. Everything is done for you with all the products that you need configured for you to start selling with checkout, payment integration, everything is done for you. Delivery, constant instant delivery. You can have 30 plus products done for you, payment gateway integrated, automated professional product description, mobile responsive, legal pages, social media promotional kits. Everything is done for you. So you don't need to do anything. So if you're looking for where to start from, just go over to dpboss.trimago.com. We drop all the links on the description. Start selling immediately. Everything is not for you. So yeah, there's no excuse right now to start making money. 30 December is here already. Start making the money for December.
That's good. That's good. Thank you guys. We appreciate. We're gonna keep doing this every Sunday, and we're gonna keep getting better, and we're gonna keep solving your daily business problem. In your journey as an African SME or as a creator, whatever you want to do, Tribing is here to help you scale. Basically. Thank you
Awesome.
guys.
So thank you, Promise. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the week. And no, keep selling and keep crushing it. Send us your success stories. We're here to help you. All right. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, go to trymango.com and ask your question. We are here to help you. And enjoy the rest of your day. See you next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye, guys.